everyone, I'm Roshni. So, as a girl, I always look out for lipsticks and I'm very fond of lipsticks. But also, I keep on looking for that perfect shade that I can use on everyday basis. That is when I discovered this box by C2P. This is their Epic Matte Lip Ink. Everything you need for your lips in just one kit. Comes in great tin box packaging, packed with 4 amazing shades. The super pigmented formula is extremely soft on the lips. The lightweight formula of these lipsticks makes them easy to glide on the lips, also giving you full coverage in just one stroke. Not only that, this can be used on your cheeks as a pop of blush and also as an eyeshadow. They blend in very easily. Now the 4 amazing shades are Tracline Brown, perfect to rock any brunch with this brown shade. Lustrous Fuchsia, enjoy the chic in you with this extraordinary highly pigmented pink shade. Immortal Ruby, be iconic with this timeless red shade. And Arctic Vineyard, don't want to go too bold or too dull, this shade is just perfect. This is a very long lasting formula and smudge proof. Do check it out for yourself. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.